Hi, I'm Tom from Motor Match Bolton, and today I'm going to be doing you a full walkthrough video on this approved used vehicle.
Here we have the stunning Toyota Corolla 2 litre. It does come with 51,063 miles on the clock and it is a petrol hybrid. This vehicle does have brilliant service history, being serviced twice in 2020, twice in 2021 and again in 2022. There's more details regarding that on our website. Here you do have your stunning 18-inch alloy wheels, really complementing the white exterior. You also have your bi-LED headlights with your LED daytime running lights and your LED rear lights, ensuring you always have crisp visibility and can always be seen. This vehicle is also equipped with front and rear park sensors, allowing you to get in and out of those tight narrow spaces without bumping your lovely new car. Here you can see you do have a very spacious boot, enough space for multiple suitcases and all your weekly shopping. The rear seats do come with a half leather, half cloth upholstery finish with your handy armrest in the centre with your two integrated cup holders. Taking a look at the front now, here you do have your full leather multifunction steering wheel, as well as your half leather, half cloth upholstery finished front seats. Now these are extremely comfortable and you can set that perfect drive position with your lumbar supports just below. Take a look at your main display now. As you can see here, this vehicle does come with satellite navigation, allowing you to get to those unknown destinations as quickly and safely as possible. It does also come with DAB radio as well as FM and AM, so you'll always have a wide range of different radio stations to choose from. If you're not in the mood to listen to radio, you can play your favourite songs via the USB or Bluetooth connection. You can also connect your mobile device via the Bluetooth option, allowing you to take hands-free phone calls a lot easier and a lot safer. As you can see here, you do also have your reversing camera, allowing you to get into those spaces and always be aware of your full surroundings. Moving over to your cockpit now, here you do have access to all the vital information you might need when on the go. It's extremely easy to navigate around and you can set this display to your own personal preference. You also have your different drive modes. You have a choice of Sport, Normal or Eco. You also have your dual climate controls. This does allow the driver and the passenger to set different temperatures to one another, allowing for maximum comfort, as well as your automatic gearbox there and your electric handbrake.
RAC extended warranty is available. For more information or go for a test drive, please give us a call on 01204 786 586 or inquire online now. Thank you for watching.